duck says. The cat. What does the cat say? The cat is too busy chasing rats. What does the dog say? The dog is too busy chasing the cat. What is the parrot saying?
I'm singing song.
The parrot wants to sing. What about the monkey? The monkey is busy jumping. And the rabbit also says, not I, not I. He's hopping. And the yellow hens say,
I miss. Okay. I will do it alone.
okay.
Okay,
So
I'll do it alone.
the yellow hens decide to do it alone. So the poor yellow hens plant the grain of wheat by themselves. When the wheat was ripe, they go to their friends for help again. And let's see what happens. The yellow hens ask, will their friends help them grind this wheat? What does the duck say?
Please grind the wheat. You do help me plant this wheat. Grind the wheat. You do help me grind this wheat.
The duck replies, and the same reply from the cat and the dog.
Singing song.
Or even the parrot and the monkey and the rabbit say they cannot help. So what do the yellow hens say?
I'll do it alone. No time. Okay, I will do then. No time. Okay, I'll do it alone.
Poor little yellow hens, they grind the wheat all by themselves. Ah, the flour is ready now. They plan to make lots of yummy bread. And the yellow hens ask,
Wait, go, Jelly. Will help me to break the floor. Would you help me break the floor?
What does the duck say?
I'm kidding. No time, no time. No time, no time. No time, no time. No time, no time. No time, no time.
So the duck
Voice. No time, no time. Hey, hey.
The cat, the dog, the parrot, monkey, and rabbit all say they cannot help the hens bake the flour. So the yellow hens say,
Bye-bye. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. I will get done. Bye.
so they decide to do it alone.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. I'm not allowed.
Wow, the bread is out of the oven and it smells yummy. Let's see if the yellow hens share.
Come little chef, let's have yummy bread. Come little chef, let's have yummy bread.
When looking at the yellow hens and their chicks eating the delicious bread, their friends also want to join them to have the yummy bread. What do they all say?
Please, the rabbit should cook a boa for the chick. Please, can you have that?
And the yellow hens say,
That's awesome. Next time you should help. Next time you should help me.
they can eat now.
Help me. This time you should help me.
But next time, their friends should help them. What do all their friends say?
Next time, you.
And so everybody loves the bread. Though the yellow hens did everything by themselves, they were kind enough to share it with their friends.